2024 Best Motorcycle for Beginners KTM Adventure 390. In the expansive world of motorcycles designed for beginners, the 2024 KTM Adventure 390 stands out as an exhilarating and versatile choice. Offering a potent blend of adventure capabilities, accessible performance, and modern design, the Adventure 390 caters to riders eager to embark on their motorcycling journey with a taste of off-road exploration and on-road excitement. 1. Adventure-ready design. The KTM Adventure 390 presents a design that signifies its off-road prowess while maintaining a dynamic and modern aesthetic. With a sharp beak-like front fender, rally-style fairings, and distinctive orange accents, the Adventure 390 exudes the adventurous spirit that defines the KTM brand. The bike's design not only appeals to riders seeking a rugged and distinctive look but also hints at its capability to handle diverse terrains. 2. Potent performance for versatility. Powering the Adventure 390 is a spirited 373 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine that strikes a balance between accessible performance and versatility. The engine's smooth power delivery and ample torque make it an ideal choice for riders transitioning from smaller displacement bikes. The Adventure 390 offers enough power to handle both city commuting and off-road exploration, ensuring a thrilling yet manageable riding experience for beginners. 3. Nimble handling on and off the road. Weighing in at a reasonable figure, the Adventure 390 features a lightweight chassis that contributes to nimble handling. Novice riders will appreciate the bike's responsiveness, allowing for confident maneuvering through city streets and responsive control on off-road trails. The Adventure 390's balanced handling encourages skill development without overwhelming beginners, making it an ideal choice for those seeking both on-road and off-road adventures. 4. Comfortable and adjustable ergonomics. The Adventure 390's rider-centric design extends to its ergonomics, providing a comfortable and adjustable riding position. The bike features a relatively upright seating posture, well-padded seat, and adjustable windscreen, ensuring that riders can tailor their setup for both comfort and control. This makes the Adventure 390 suitable for extended journeys in varied riding conditions. 5. Modern features and technology. Despite its off-road capabilities, the Adventure 390 incorporates modern features that enhance both safety and convenience. Anti-lock braking system and #40, ABS and #41 may come standard, providing riders with added confidence and control, especially in challenging terrain. The bike may also feature a digital instrument cluster, offering riders essential information at a glance, adding to the overall modern riding experience. Conclusion. In the diverse landscape of beginner motorcycles, the 2024 KTM Adventure 390 emerges as a thrilling and versatile choice for riders eager to explore both on and off the road. Its adventure-ready design, potent performance, nimble handling, comfortable ergonomics, and incorporation of modern features make it an ideal option for beginners seeking an exciting and diverse riding experience. Whether navigating city streets, conquering off-road trails, or simply enjoying the freedom of two wheels, the Adventure 390 offers a thrilling and adaptable platform for novice riders. As a testament to KTM's commitment to providing an exhilarating entry into the adventure riding realm, the 2024 KTM Adventure 390 rightfully claims its place as one of the best motorcycles for beginners in the current market.